And the race is on. Mesmerize this moment. Rushing up is Banay. Banay go. Jenny is Smart Alec. Then comes entry number 6 to Chinelli Celestial. And nearing the far turn, Mesmerize, Banay, Banay, Smart Alec, Jenny racing in fifth by some 2 lines now, showing Doomstead and Smart Alec. Rounding the far turn, Mesmerize, Go Belize on the outside. Banay, Banay getting closer in third. And on the outside, Smart Alec, Jenny Cole. As they race the final corner, Go Belize, Mesmerize, Banay, Banay is on the outside. Jenny Cole down on the inside. Banay, Banay is now the leader. And on the outside, rushing up the outstanding favorite. And this one is Living for Love. Banay, Banay, Living for Love is on the outside. But still, Banay, Banay, Living for Love moves up. And finally, Living for Love. Banay, Banay. Entry number 11, Go Belize. Number 9, away we go. And Jenny Cole for your Fentafect.
Unang tumawid sa